PickaForm allows you to activate features on your form. To do this, simply click on the Edit Form Features button. You will see on the left the list of features available. Here, we will activate the ability to attach files to the form. Just click on the switch and finish with the Save and Exit button. The new feature now appears below the default form section. In our example, this allows us to attach a file. Compatible files can be viewed directly in a window on the right. You can enlarge it at will and also close it when you do not need it anymore. Several features can be activated simultaneously on the same form. To give an example, we will also add the possibility to leave comments on the form. One click and it's done. The new comments feature has appeared below the one for attached files. Users will now be able to easily leave comments.